Hello guys, and welcome to this video. I'm going to be showing you how to use relaxing and meditative voices in 11 Labs. So the first thing you have to do is to go to your 11 Labs website and click on the voices option. This would bring you to a page similar to this, but it will be in my voices. All you have to do is click on the collections section and then click on the relaxing and meditative option. This would give us a page like this. Now we can proceed to sample each of these voice to make sure they are what we are looking for, especially if we want to use these voices for ASMR videos or relaxing videos on YouTube or personal projects. So we can also sample each voice and click on them to hear them. So this is Natasha.
Welcome to the meditation. Close your eyes and
These voices are really
the
good.
journey is long.
This is just whispering. So this is Viral.
Close your eyes.
So all you have to do is just to sample them and choose a voice that suits your project, and you are good to go. If you've enjoyed this video, please consider leaving a comment below and subscribing to the channel for more videos like this. Thank you very much and do have a great day.